Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on PS3 easy method. Start by checking PS3 firmware and free storage, then create or link a compatible Epic Games account and verify network stability. Next, search available legacy client options and install any required game files or patches. Finally, adjust in-game settings for performance, prioritize frame rate over visual quality, and test connectivity in a private match before jumping online. To link accounts smoothly, sign into Epic Games on a browser and confirm account details, then navigate to console connections to pair your PS3 profile. If prompted, authorize the device and complete any required email verifications or backup code entries promptly. Avoid using two-factor options you cannot access on the console, and create a simple backup method in case you lose access. This reduces lockouts and speeds troubleshooting if issues arise. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help others find these tips. Quick recommendation: I love these leak-proof containers for easy snacks and meals between gaming sessions. They make life simpler and cleaner. Check the video description for the product link and other deals, and consider grabbing a set if you're prepping food while gaming. Now, let's get back to the video. For installation, start downloads during off-peak hours to minimize interruptions and prioritize a wired Ethernet connection for stability. Remove unused games or media to free at least 5 GB of space, and run any available system updates before installing client files. After the install completes, restart the PS3 so changes initialize correctly, then launch Fortnite and apply recommended performance settings. If errors occur, note error codes and retry the process step by step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.